Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This is me, your friend and host Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. So today the topic that I'm going to talk about is very much important. As you all know that I'm a journalist, and I also did my computer courses. So today many of you asked me to please make a tutorial about how to make your own Gmail or your own account. It is very much easy. It doesn't take that much time. There are three versions of it. One is for personal use, one is for kids, and one is for business. So I'm going to separate it. So this one is for personal. So let's jump into it. So the thing here is that you can just go to your Google. So here I've turned on this screen. You can watch towards it. I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit so that it could be easier for you. So you can go to Edge. It doesn't matter that you have any kind of browser. I have Edge here, so I'm gonna use my Edge. As you can watch. So just search Google accounts, and after searching that, you can just go there. Yes, click on sign in. Yes, add account. So click on that. After that, you will go to the place where you can watch. So the old account name should be deleted from there. So now after this, click on there. So now after this, click on create new account, and there would be three options coming. So after that, I'll make you understand that. So now the thing is that if you want to make it for your children, you can just do it, but there are so much more. Like, there is a bundle of things that you have to do, and it's very hard to make it, but no worries, we'll one day do it. But right now the job that we have is to make our work easier. So I'll write Muhammad, and so yes, I wrote it. So my second name is is Hasnain. So I wrote it. At the end, as you can see, you have to give it a username. You should have a decent choice. I couldn't have any better choice. It chose for me a very good name. So let's choose Muhammad Hasnain 60. Okay, I was thinking about something else. I was going to write Google is great or something like that, but still we can use this. So let's go ahead. So now the thing is that you have to create a password for it. You have to use a password. So use it and think about it correctly. So you should use your own phone number for this, and if you have brothers, sisters, or your father, mother, you should take theirs. But if you're adults, so you should take your own number then. So on that number you will be sended with a verification code. Please don't copy mine, because everybody has their own number and they all have different. Even if you apply again and again, so a new code will come to you. So don't copy. So right now you just give it an optional opinion, and after giving it an optional opinion, give it your date of birth. I'm 22 and I'm under 18, but I'm just gonna lie. So November and 1996, 7, yeah, it would be good. And gender, I'm male. If you rather don't want to say it, you can, and if you are a female, you can just click on it. And if you're none of the above and you want to just pick a custom, so maybe you can. So better luck. So these are something that they want to make you clear about. So that is that it is going to be used your number to do different things, like you can watch, receive calls and messages and etc. If you want to go deeper, you can just say that yes, I'm in, or no, I'm not. So it is easy. These are not the normal terms and conditions that you usually watch in places like only writing. No, in the end, there are some options you have to view upon it. If you are making for a kid, so you should never say that remove his history, because you will have a eye upon him that what is he watching. So it might be better, but it's upon you. Just think about it. Watch all the options. I'm gonna show all the options to you. So yeah, we are done with our today's tutorial, and no need to worry about YouTube and everything else. Everything that is linked or that is related to Google will be saved in your we could say will be saved here. So no need to worry, everything is okay. Just don't worry, and done, everything's done.